In the heart of the southern Great Plain in Hungary, near the city of Kecskemét, lies an abandoned orchard spanning over 1 hectare at the Kujani farm. Meets Katalin Kujani, a dedicated farmer working on her family's farm. Alongside her parents and sister, Katalin faces various challenges on the daily in order to keep their agricultural business afloat. Their land, characterized by sandy, nutrient-poor soil, demands both patience and expertise. Farming here is not for the faint-hearted. The difficulties of climate change and poor soils make it a constant uphill battle. Yet, Katalin's farm stands as a beacon of resilience and innovation. It serves as a demonstrator for MarginUp, an EU-funded initiative aimed at revitalizing marginal lands by enhancing biodiversity, improving soil quality, and promoting the circular use of biomass. In particular, 2 types of plants are being examined: the energy willow, or Salix feminalis, and the Virginia mallow, or Sida hermaphrodita. Through this project, Katalin collaborates with fellow farmers, industrial partners, research institutions, and local stakeholders to explore how these 2 kinds of plants can favor soil health and increase the economic value of agricultural products. Join us as we delve into their journey of perseverance and progress.
We face the drought and the dryness and the sandy soil, and I think that it's a really big challenge the farmers how they can tackle this issue. So now we are doing these pilots, and we would like to see how this kind of biomass plants can be planted and can be produced in the future in the sandy soil. So it's a really good solution and possibility to test new kind of varieties. Because if we don't have this kind of project and possibility, we wouldn't like to try them. We have never heard about the Sida hermaphrodita before. And the energy willow it's not a new thing in Hungary, but we haven't tried it on sandy soil. So that's why this kind of pilots or 1 hectare is enough to do, to analyze and see how we can tackle this problem in the future.
MarginUp is also supported by researchers. Meet Koos, a researcher from the Bay Zoltan Research Institute, one of the MarginUp project partners. Koos works on analyzing the soil characteristics and monitoring plant progress on Katalin's farm.
Within the MarginUp project, we have a special mission because we are the founder and the management institution of the Hungarian bioeconomy cluster. Our tasks are the soil sampling, the sample analysis, which means the chemical analysis of the soil and the plants. We make microbiological tests and molecular biological tests as well. Nowadays, the digitalization is really important in this field of agriculture. So we use drone technologies, multispectral drones, to monitor the biomass production and several other parameters like water content of the soil and the plants.
Here we talk to Adrienn Nagy, Chief Executive of the company Pilze Nagy. At Adrienn's factory, the biomass grown around Kecskemét is used as a substrate for oyster mushroom cultivation. The spent mushroom substrate is processed in the company's biogas plant, which generates electricity and heat needed for mushroom cultivation, closing the loop by using waste to produce renewable energy.
Mushrooms, they need organic material for the nutrients and for the energy. This is how we started to think in a circular economy development. And for the mushroom growing, original feedstock is an agricultural byproduct, the wheat straw. So we collect and store the wheat straw in our premises and make oyster mushroom substrate from that material. The oyster mushroom has a very special and unique extracellular enzyme system, and the mycelia, it's overgrowing the substrate, can decompose the lignin and the cellulose too. So this is how we can also get the energy from the lignin, not just from the cellulose. And after harvesting the mushroom from the substrate, we have the spent mushroom substrate, which is the leftover of the original substrate product. This is how we got to the idea to use this kind of material as a feedstock for the biogas production.
Creating practical solutions for both farmers and industry in the region is crucial. Gabor Vicze is a Chief Executive Officer of Innomine, an agency specialized in providing advice on innovation management for local actors and organizations in Hungary.
The agricultural sectors and the farmers here in the Great Plain are facing multiple challenges. Primarily, the key challenge for them is how to sell their product on the market, how to sell their product at a good price that can make the operation of the farms profitable. And they usually lack to process their products. They sell their products in a raw format where they do not get the proper price, and therefore the profitability is smaller. One of the solutions for them could be to connect with other stakeholders, to create new products, to connect their products with other companies and go together to the market. MarginUp, with this use case, the idea is to showcase how to connect the local stakeholders with the international knowledge sources and the international experience, and demonstrate that an innovative approach can benefit both the local and the international stakeholders. And one of the key objectives is to demonstrate this and also disseminate this knowledde to the other local stakeholders, to the other farmers, and show them both here in this region but also in the whole Hungarian area how it is possible to compete climate change with new and innovative methodologies.
The MarginUp project will continue collaborating with these partners and others to enhance biodiversity on marginal lands, boost the circular use of biomass, and improve soil quality and productivity. Stay tuned for more research findings and updates from MarginUp.